Hi, Miss Bud's class. Welcome to week 4 of your digital learning. Hopefully, you guys have kind of gotten into the swing of things. And good news for you is that we have a short week this week and we have a short week next week. So there will be no school, no assignments this Friday, and there will be no school, no assignments on Monday. So you have a very short week this week, and then you'll have a 4-day long weekend. Hopefully, you'll take the time to rest and spend time with your family, as I'm sure you've all been doing since we're all at home. So this is your lessons and assignments for Monday, April 6th. Remember that this will be the top assignment on Google Classroom. This will be at the very top, and any other assignments that you have to turn in will be underneath this presentation. So you'll open it, you'll go to present. The video I'm recording right now will be linked right here. Make sure that you watch that. That should be the first thing you do, regardless of when you start doing your work, whether it's 9 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 8 o'clock at night. Make sure that you're watching this video first from me before you do anything else. So I'm also going to start sending that to parents so that everybody has the same information. So watch this video. After that, you will click, and usually I don't have it linked in this early, but here is BTV for Monday. That's Mr. Carlson. I miss his face just like I miss your faces. Be sure to watch BTV every day. Then you will click, and I was not able to record a read aloud for you all. I want to make sure that I'm not violating any copyright laws. So before I record any more read alouds, I'm just going to link in a read aloud for you all to enjoy every day. So here's that for today. Then you will go to the next slide, which is writing. And there is no writing today. If you remember, we're trying to make things easy for everybody and doable for everybody. So we've started alternating writing and word study. So today you'll have word study, but you do not have a writing assignment. You will have writing on Tuesday and Thursday, and then word study on Monday and Wednesday. So no writing today. Click to word study. The first thing you're going to do, so there are 3 things that you need to do. You're going to click here or here. I've linked the video twice. So you're going to go to, well, I thought I had it open. You're going to go to Brain Pop, follow this link, and you're going to watch this short video on contractions. And this should be a review. So the contraction is when you take 2 words and combine them into one, and you use an apostrophe to replace some letters that you've removed. And so watch this video here. After you've watched the Brain Pop lesson, then you should watch this video. So this is my video lesson, kind of clarifying some things, and then explaining how to complete the assignment. So you'll watch the Brain Pop video first. You'll watch my video giving you instructions, and then you'll complete the assignment in Google Classroom. And so that will be a separate link in your Google Classroom stream. It will be underneath this slide presentation. So I've made the video here explaining exactly how to do it, but this is what it would look like. So it's a slide presentation. Watch the video explaining how to complete it. And then that is it for word study. Let me present that again. After word study, you'll click, and so reading. Hopefully you guys have kind of gotten the hang of things and these new reading groups we started last week. So Jalea McKay, you will go to Miss Johnson's Google Classroom to complete your reading assignment. So I just want to clarify that you're not doing my assignment and her assignment. You are only doing her assignment, and that goes for Miss Pollock and Miss Deming as well. So do not do 2 reading assignments, only do 1. Bryson, you will go to Miss Pollock's Google Classroom and you will complete her assignment. And then Skylar and Steven, you will go to Miss Deming's Google Classroom and complete her assignment. Everyone else, other than Jalea, McKay, Bryson, Skylar, and Steven, you are going to watch this, excuse me, this video right here and right here. I've linked it in 2 different places. Excuse me, guys. You're going to watch the video, then you're going to read a book. So this is an author's purpose lesson. We know there are 3 purposes that authors have for writing books: persuade, inform, and entertain. And you guys, we've been talking about this all year. So then you'll read any book of your choice. I'm so sorry, guys. And then you'll go to, again, another link in Google Classroom. And you will complete that author's purpose assignment. So it will look like this: your name, the title of the text that you read, the book that you read, what was the author's purpose? Entertain, inform, or persuade. So you're going to type that here. And then here's where you're going to tell me how you know. How did you know that the author's purpose was to entertain or to give information or to persuade? So tell me that here in this box. So that's 2 things that you're going to have to turn in for me tomorrow. So word study and the author's purpose assignment. And that's it for ELA. After that, you'll do math. You'll do your fact fluency on MobyMax. And again, you're not having to turn in anything, but I'm able to track and see if you're completing your time on MobyMax or Zern. And I have a checklist every day where I'm checking off that you guys are completing this. So make sure that you're doing your work, even if you don't have to turn it in on Google Classroom. So you'll do the fact fluency like we do every day. And then you'll go to Zern, and I've already set up the lessons for you. So you'll just pick up where you left off, do your Zern lesson. And then the third thing you'll do is, and you can click right here, you'll watch this lesson on repeated addition to find the total. So we're still working on arrays and rows and columns, which is the precursor to multiplication, which is what you guys are going to be doing next year in 3rd grade. After that, it's specials. It is music. You'll go to Mr. Camp's Google Classroom. I linked it here. If for some reason you haven't joined, here's his class code. Remember, specials should take no more than 10 minutes a day. So there's that. And then finally, and I'm going to escape out of there because it looks silly for some reason. I sent a message to parents on Dojo. I'm going to host, and I don't know if it will be every day. It depends on how many people are joining the meetings, but I'm going to be hosting online meetings with you guys. We're going to use Google Hangouts. And so on Monday, I'm going to host a meeting from 11 to 11:30 in the morning, and I'll be answering any questions that you have or your parents about your assignments or anything really. But most importantly, I just want to see your faces and say hello. I miss you guys, and I would love to see you, and I'm sure you guys would like to see each other. So I will do this a couple of times this week, at least a couple of times. So if for some reason you can't make Monday's meeting, I will host another one so you can see your friends and talk to them and see me and talk to me. So for Monday's meeting, I've linked it in here at the bottom. So you'll click that link at 11, and hopefully I will see you then. I think that is all I have for you today. Please know that I'm on Go Guardian during the day when you guys are working. Your parents can dojo me, and I'm here for you guys, whatever you need. I'm here to support you. So please let me know. And I hope you have an awesome Monday. And I hope to see you at 11 o'clock this morning.